Recently, I've been starting to do this. For the unwashed, this is a mess around the house. But for me, this is my baby learning to do a line. What are you making?
House.
House.
Line.
Line you're making, okay. It's finished. You can take these ones and put here. These ones you can put here. You keep doing this everywhere, all around the house. Okay, so today we are making a moong dal dosa. I have taken soaked moong dal, not moong dal, whole moong. I am adding some salt and some green chilies depending on your taste. You can add the green chilies or not, you can skip it. Now I am adding a little bit of soda, cooking soda or baking soda, what do you call it. You can add some ginger if you like, if you can handle the heat, and then we just grind it to the smooth paste. Here we go. It seems smooth, but we need to add a little water and make it a little bit more smoother. So we'll grind it again a little. Here we go. And now it's ready. I'm adding about 1-2 tablespoons of rice flour to make it more crunchy. Here it is. Let's mix it up. Mix. And it's ready now. So what I'm going to do is I'm heating a tawa, a flat iron tawa I'm using, and I'm adding a little bit of oil. I'll brush the oil. So this is me brushing the oil up. All right, now I'm adding the extra hot oil to the batter. Next, there is an important step here. What we are going to do is this brushed oil, we are going to splash water on it so that the oil just goes away. See, I washed it with water, and now we'll return it to flame, and now we'll pour batter on it just like dosa. So I'm adding about 2 spoons of batter, and we'll spread it from the center thinly. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm filling up, and then we're sprinkling a little bit of oil on the sides to give it the crunch and color. Here we go. See, after 2-3 minutes it has turned golden. When I open it, you'll turn it, you see how beautifully golden it is. I have some extra masala, potato masala left, so I'm just adding it to make it a masala dosa, but this is completely optional. See how nicely they're leaving the sides, and see the color, the crunch. I'm sure you can feel the crunch as well. Okay, here we go. It's ready. Healthy moong dal dosa with any kind of chutney if you like, or if you don't, you can just eat with the masala inside. And considering there is no rice, it is very healthy as well. Thank you. Bye bye.